Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this crystal black Jazz EX. Now, walking around the car, you will notice that it does have the LED daytime running lights. It also has LED fog lights and front and rear parking sensors built in as standard on this variant. You also get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well, which do make the car look spectacular when you are on every angle possible. Walking around the rear, as I did mention, you get front and rear parking sensors. You also get a nice little reversing camera just up top there, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've got plenty of space in the boot compartment as well, with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and yes, they do fold flat with the boot floor. Walking around to the rear now, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, we've got part leather, part cloth. As you can see, it is white leather with grey cloth interior. We've got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom, which come as standard as well. We've got full keyless entry and full keyless start. Inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You then got your ECON and your eCVT gearbox. We've got your climate control in the front with two front heated seats and your 10.5-inch display in the middle of the dashboard. This comes with your navigation. Comes with your Bluetooth hands-free, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth audio, and your FM and DAB. So everything that you could possibly need on the infotainment system, you do actually have. We've then got a nice bit of extra storage just here, as well as the glove box just below. We've got your audio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel just here, with your track select, volume, voice assistant. The return arrow and the home button and the bezel controls your onboard computer at the top, as you can see. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. Your adaptive cruise control settings are over on the right hand side with your heated steering wheel. And as you can see, this Jazz EX has only done 3,922 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information regarding this 2021 Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.